We're back with part 2 of this trying to strip some of my black hair out. It's been a few days.
Okay, let's go.
It's definitely wash day and I'm like, all right, I'm going to do it all over again. I did get some extra things though. I actually bought a squeezy bottle, gloves, and unfortunately, the Cosmoprof that I went to didn't have the Schwarzkopf color remover that I really like, but they did have some Joico Color Eraser, and this does work on permanent hair as well, because you mix it still with developer. So this one says to mix with 20 vol, so I got the 20 vol that goes with it. And I don't know if this is a sign or not, but I got a bunch of Paul Mitchell's new lightener. She gave it to me for free. A lot of the times when you go to the professional hair stores, they'll give you like free testers. So she gave me this, and I don't know if this is saying something or not, so we're gonna find out. But I am going to do another CPR treatment, use the color disruptor again, undo goo, all of that, wait 45 minutes, do the whole shebang over. I do still have these, obviously. So I have my color disruptor, I have my CPR treatment, and I actually got a bowl to keep at my house because I haven't had one of those in a while, and a whisk. But I'm gonna do the whole CPR treatment process. We already did that together, so I'm just gonna kind of speed through this part, and then I'll come back when we're gonna be doing the Joico color remover. Hopefully this works. Like, I am hoping, there's a part of me that's just hoping my hair is orange by the end of this, but we'll see. Okay, my hair feels like straw and it's howl blotted dry, so kind of wet still. So let's add the color disruptor again. It is all on again. I was a little bit more messy, but put so much more on this time, so hopefully that helps. I am going to give it 45 minutes. And I realized I didn't show you my really cute shower cap from before, so I'm gonna heat my head up really hot, and then I'm gonna put this on so it kind of retains the heat in there. And we're gonna let this process for another 45 minutes, so I'll be back. 45 minutes has passed. It's time to take this off. I hate this stuff. I am so glad I finally grabbed some like heavy duty color remover because I don't wanna do this again. So let me go rinse this off, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then we're gonna start on the second part, phase 2 of today. Okay, I don't again see that much of a difference, but I'm gonna blow dry and then we'll start again the next process. Maybe I'm just an idiot, but
Morgan,
I really don't
from
think
the future,
CPR
really
works
just
as
editing
good as
Morgan
everybody
here,
says it
but I
does.
wanted to kind of voice over what I really thought was happening in these moments. So obviously I'm blow drying my hair, and it's already been 2 times of CPR. I'm not saying CPR doesn't work for people. I'm just saying, like, I wish I had more of a result, I guess, in the end of it all.
Okay, this is where we're at. It's maybe a little bit lighter. I mean, it looks lighter right here, but in person it doesn't really look like that, y'all. I don't know. My hair feels so dry. I didn't put any conditioner in it because I knew I was gonna be going in with some color remover. So again, this is the color remover I got. It is from Joico. It is professional use only, of course. And then I got the Lumi Shine 20 vol, which it says that you do 1 packet of this, 3 ounces of 20 vol. So, whoa, not 100% sure what this is, but it looks a lot like some lightener. Smells weird though. So let's do this. I don't have a scale, so we're just gonna measure this out in here. 3 ounces. And honestly, these Cricut whisks, if you are in the market, love these. They last really well, they're strong, and they're long, which I like for my Oh my god, this smells strong, y'all. It's pretty thick, so I might need to mix up another pack. Oh, it's burning my eyeballs. I am just gonna go in with my hands, but I'm gonna section so that I can see a little bit better. But this is going to be for a very short period of time, so it doesn't need to be perfect. And if I truly, truly hate it and it makes me go like splotchy and crazy, I will just put a toner on it for the next 2 weeks until my appointment is coming up, 9 days. And then maybe I'll just like
When I
clarify
tell
the toner
y'all
out
this
before
stuff
my
was
appointment.
so
But
strong,
let's
I
get
had
started.
to open up my bathroom door and turn my fan on. So later in the video, you might hear my fan running in the back because I forgot to turn it back off here and there, but it was very, very strong. I don't really know what the difference between a color remover and just straight up lightener is, but when I tell you this pretty much was just some straight up lightener, it had a little bit of like a blue cast to it, which tells me that it also has some like neutralizing pigment in it. But I'm gonna be so honest, could have just used lightener and I think I would have been just fine. Don't mind my husband, he was getting dressed. He knows he's going to be in the video a little bit, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you walk into our bathroom and I'm doing my hair. But anyways, this was basically just lightener. It did dry the hell out of my hair.
This is what I've covered with one bag. So we're about to mix up a second. I can already see my hair lightening, so. Okay, it's all on. I can already see my hair changing. I'm gonna put a processing cap on and we are gonna let this sit for probably only 20 minutes because it's been on my underneath already a little too, probably, I don't know how long. It's been on there a while, all right? So I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then give it about 20 minutes and rinse it. I'll be back. Something finally happened. Okay, this looks crazy. My ends are still a tiny bit darker, especially these front pieces. So I really want to keep it on just the top of my head, I think. Like, oh my god. I'm blonde. And my hair is still doing pretty good. It's not like stretchy or anything, which is good to see. Yeah, it's just some of these front pieces. So I think I'm gonna rinse it just because I have kind of stayed on the allotted time. See what my hair looks like. And then I might just put it on these darker pieces one more time and kind of let it go from there. Just so I can better watch them. And I mean, they're pretty light, but like if I can get my whole head like this, I would feel so much better. But I'm not too mad about it yet. It is obviously wet, so it's gonna look a little bit lighter than this once I dry it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to rinse all of this, dry it's kind of just like this front quadrant. Look how light this is. Like, that's crazy. And it is like that over here. Well, this one kind of has a little, but it's mostly just my ends, which I can deal with. And we'll just redo it again on the ends. Let's do it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, not bad. My hair is dry, but not like coming off, so that's good. But this section, we're gonna redo, and then just basically right here. This is fine.
At this point, I was a lot more precise on what I was trying to do because I just wanted to get those bottom pieces, the darker colors, to have a little bit more time under a processing cap. Obviously, the bottom and back of my head was really covered first, and honestly, seeing that brightness made me excited. But I wasn't able to leave it on just the same amount of time as I had the back, or I was afraid that the back of my hair was going to snap off, and no one needs that in this process.
Okay, it's back on the ends. We're gonna leave it for about 20 minutes actually, and I'm gonna check it and then hopefully rinse and be done with this portion. I'm gonna have really ugly auburn hair for the next 9 days. Okay, so I got a lot of it out. Like obviously it's still a little splotchy, but I just put a shit ton of K18 leave-in in my hair. And that's kind of what we're gonna be doing the next few days is let's rehydrate, bond build. I also have Olaplex in the shower right now, so we're gonna be kind of doing like a heavy repair treatment until I go in for my full highlight. So this is gonna be crazy the next few days. This is the K18 treatment that I'm using. And then I also have these Schwarzkopf Fiber Clinic oil. So I'm gonna be kind of dousing my ends. Honestly, like I have a tiny bit of shedding, but nothing really too bad, thankfully. Like way less than I would have anticipated losing. This side of my head seems to be having a tiny bit more. Like here's a hair, you probably can't see that. But yeah, I'm not mad about it at this moment. Now I know most likely when I do the lightening, we're gonna have to cut my hair. Like we just are, which I'm completely fine with. I am glad that like kind of my ends are a little bit more even. Your girl's just gonna be wearing hats for 9 days because this is crazy. I mean, my grays don't even look gray anymore compared to my hair, so that's kind of a good sign, right? Everything is coming together, that's for sure. I mean, they're still there, don't get me wrong, but we're gonna be red for 9 days, I guess. Auburn, I should say. This is not red, this is auburn. I'm not gonna blow dry my hair again tonight. I'm gonna just let it sit in this. And use as minimal heat as possible over the next 9 days. I really just want to like give my hair the best fighting chance to not completely snap off. I mean, y'all are gonna get all the nitty gritty of, you know, my hot roots and all that kind of stuff, but I will be wearing hats for the next 9 days for sure. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like I'll get over it. It is what it is, but I know it's for a short period of time. So finally, the first time I'm actually seeing some difference in my hair doing this process. But I'll see you guys in the morning.
I, in fact, did not record in the morning. I have decided that you guys will randomly see my hair when you need to see my hair, but let's just say some decisions were made, and I can't wait to show you guys where I'm at right now. I will see y'all next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just kind of join this journey with me. Bye.
Okay, let's go.